Hey everybody, now we're looking at some SBL questions and how you've got to get the question right. It sounds really obvious, but make sure you understand the question by understanding the verb that's in the question. So off we go. This came from Levwell, which was the case study not so long ago. And from the most recent SBL examiner's report, so we know what we're getting here is good information. So the requirement said, how could risks relating to the integration of two hotel businesses be mitigated? Mitigated being the verb. Now, what most students do is say, okay, putting two hotel businesses together, let me talk about the risks because it mentioned risks. So they gave a detailed description of what those risks were instead of saying how you might mitigate, how you might reduce those risks. So obviously you were answering the wrong question, most people. Same exam question, same trap. This one I think I understand a little bit more why students got it wrong, because it says assess the feasibility of acquiring Juliet. And so students, I think quite understandably, talked about the capacity to manage acquiring Juliet, but that's about how ready Levwell were, not whether it's feasibly acquirable. Okay, so feasibility is can we actually do it rather than are we ready to do it, which is what most students answered. So I thought I'd give you a helping hand. Before you write an answer, look for the verb. Is it mitigate? Is it evaluate? Is it assess? Is it discuss? And realise that each one wants something different. Then look at what you are mitigating, what you are assessing, what you are evaluating. And then, once you've done that, now say it back to yourself in your own words, in plain English. Right, they want me to suggest fixes for these integration risks. Because if you can't say it back, you can't answer it. And if you can say it back and you keep on saying it back, you can even write it down somewhere, your actual understanding of this question. So let me just go through some verbs that you might come up with. Mitigate. So you want proper, specific fixes that reduce risks, not listing problems. Evaluate means you weigh both sides and conclude. You don't just describe the issue. Recommend, you have to recommend, you have to choose. You have to say with reasons which one you choose, not just present options. To assess the feasibility, decide whether it can be done, not whether the buyer was ready, which is what we saw in the Levwell case, wasn't it? And finally, justify. You've got to defend a position, not explain the concept, defend it using evidence from the scenario. Okay, I hope that really helps. And just remember, read the verb, answer the verb. But what I think is really important here is this bit. Say the question back to yourself in your own words. You're the one who needs to answer the question. You're the one who understands it in your own words, and it'll be a lot easier. Good luck in the exam.